Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the Shirogorov Quantum Generation 2 here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and let's check this out, because cutting edge of this bad boy is going to be 4 inches and the handle is going to be 5 inches. So all is going to be a little bit less than 9 inches. Big boy. It's not a small knife by any means. It's a titanium frame lock, fantastically executed by Shirogorov knives, made in Russia. This guy's gonna be 1150, so yeah, it's a little bit more expensive than the Generation 1 because there's a little bit more work that went into it. In fact, you can see the new milling pattern. There's 3 more milled pockets on the show side and 2 in the back. There is a dual tone finish for the scales with this chaotic stone wash for the flats and darkened milled areas here for the sides. Full titanium 3D milled backspacer lanyard hole integrated in this beautifully done geared backspacer, tip-up carry only, titanium pocket clip, not reversible. You get a 3.5 millimeter thick, super slicey M390 steel Persian blade in this newest edition of the Shirogorov Quantum Generation 2. I like the new nomenclature for to name the models, like they did in the 111 Generation 5. This guy is just gorgeous. It has, you know, features from the custom division coming down to the production, and the production line is reaching some levels like that are really scary for the competitors. Let's quickly check the weight, because this is a full-size knife, titanium frame lock, full-size titanium backspacer, weighing in at 4.31 ounces. It is outstanding. The action, guys, it's this. I mean, yes, multi-row roller bearing system, fantastic noise coming out of this gorgeously executed chunk of titanium. The action is fast. When you close it, it's this gentle. I mean, guys, this is a superbly executed iteration of the already fantastic Quantum. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.